There's Brisket in the pine tree. Hi, Brisket. Where's your sister? Should we go look for her? Come on, let's look for your sister. There's Brisket. Let's see. Oh, look. If you look very, very carefully, you can see Ducky in there. How are you two going to get down, huh? How are you two going to get down? Mind you, they're about 10 feet up in the air right now. Hi, Brisket. This is why we have the flip cam. Look what you're doing in the tree. Look what you're doing in the tree. There's Brisket, and right behind him is Ducky. Good times by the cats. Should I stop videotaping so I can rescue them? What do you think? He's having a hard time because he's gotten so far down on this branch. My guess is they were chasing squirrels, which is what they seem to really enjoy doing. All right, we're gonna go now. Oh, good jump, Brisket.